If any question arises whether a member of Lok Sabha has become subject to disqualification under the 10th schedule, the president's decision, it is the decision of speaker, not the president. This is 0.1 upon 10. Difficulty level 0.1 upon 10. So in accordance with the 10th schedule, it is in article 102 of the constitution, read with 103 of the constitution. In office of profit, president will decide disqualification on the binding advice given by Election Commission of India, but not on 10th schedule. It is on office of profit. यहाँ कह रहा है, if a question arises whether a member is subject to disqualification under 10th schedule, if the same thing is replaced here, office of profit, then the president will act, that too not on the advice of Council of Ministers but Election Commissioner. So you should distinguish between 10th schedule and article 102 and 103, 102 and 103, disqualification in office of profit. For those who have not understood, all the disqualifications of members of parliament is given in article 102 of the constitution for central level and 194 for state level. So 102 क्या है भाई? Unsound mind, no more a citizen of India, undischarged, insolvent. Okay, then you have what you call office of profit, 10th schedule, or under any law made by the parliament. Getting my point? So if a question, this statement is wrong, there is no mention of the word political party in the constitution. In the original constitution, it was not mentioned, but 10th schedule, 52nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1985, amended by 91st Constitutional Amendment Act 2003. Yes, we have the term political party in the constitution in the 10th schedules.